Hello friends, so in this session we will start with the thymic hypoplasia. Thymic hypoplasia it is associated with the DeGeorge syndrome. So in DeGeorge syndrome you can also see hypocalcemia, and also thymic hypoplasia is associated with ataxia telangiectasia. So in ataxia telangiectasia there will be like normal calcium levels and bacterial spores. So the bacterial spores are resistant to heat. Then Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Hashimoto's thyroiditis it is associated with thymic lymphoma. So thymic lymphoma is the extranodal lymphoma. Then the most common cause of pneumonia in COPD is Haemophilus influenza, and the most common cause of pneumonia in alcoholics is streptococcal pneumonia. Then Friedlander pneumonia. So it is caused by Klebsiella pneumonia, and Friedlander pneumonia is more common in alcoholics, and it produces a chocolate-colored sputum. In a chest X-ray, you can see bulging fissure sign is positive due to pus in the interlobar fissure. Then bird handler pneumonia. It is also known as psittacosis. So bird handler pneumonia it is caused by chlamydia, and it is treated with azithromycin. Then we will next we will see the dyspnea associated with certain positions. So trepapnea. So trepapnea is the dyspnea in a lateral cubitus position. Orthopnea. So dyspnea in the supine position is orthopnea. Platypnea. Dyspnea in the sitting or the standing position and relieved while lying in the supine position. So this is platypnea. And then we will see about amyloidosis. So amyloidosis, in amyloidosis, the most common organ damaged is kidney. So there are different types of amyloid protein. For example, AL type of amyloid protein, it is found in a multiple myeloma, and AA type of myeloid protein, it is found in a chronic disease condition such as Crohn's disease. Then chronic bronchitis and rheumatic arthritis. Then so this is a AA type of amyloid protein found in chronic disease conditions. Then A beta type of amyloid protein, it is found in Alzheimer's disease. Then A beta 2. Then A beta 2 type of amyloid protein, it is found in dialysis dementia. So usually for amyloidosis, we will take a biopsy is taken from the abdominal fat to confirm the diagnosis. Then, so the best method to calculate the residual volume is a body plethysmography. Then IgA nephropathy. IgA nephropathy or a Berger's disease is the most common cause of hematuria. Then red urine is not in hematuria, and it is seen in clofazamine, myoglobinuria, and beetroot injection. Then usually the P53 gene, it is called guardian of genome. Then apoptosis. Apoptosis is caused by activation of the caspases. Then Milligan-Morgan surgery. That is external dissection and internal ligation is done for hemorrhoids. Then you can see the phenomenon of satellitism. It is shown by the Haemophilus influenza in the culture medium. Then Leydig cells or interstitial cells. They are found adjacent to the seminiferous tubules. So this Leydig cells, they secrete testosterone in presence of a luteinizing hormone. Okay. Then Framingham study. Framingham study is the cohort study for a cardiovascular disease. Then Corynebacterium diphtheria. The Babes Ernst granules are seen in Corynebacterium diphtheria, and this granules is strained by Albert strain. Then Robertsonian translocation. It is Robertsonian translocation is seen in a Down syndrome, that is a trisomy 21, and Patau syndrome. Patau syndrome is a trisomy 13. Then Mullerian duct or a paramesonephric duct. It gave rise to uterus, fallopian tube, cervix, and upper third of the vagina. Then the sickle cell disease is autosomal recessive disease in which the glutamic acid is replaced by valine at the sixth position of the beta globin gene. So it is a sickle cell anemia, sickle cell disease. It is a type of missense mutation. Next is Nissel's granules. Nissel's granules is found in neurons. They are just a rough endoplasmic reticulum with free ribosomes. So these free ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. Then Hurdle cells. So Hurdle cells is characterized by abundant eosinophilic granular cytoplasm. So why there is abundant eosinophilic granular cytoplasm? Due to presence of as a result of accumulation of altered mitochondria in the cytoplasm. The Hurdle cells it is also called oncocytic cells, and Hurdle cells are found in follicular carcinoma of the thyroid. Follicular carcinoma of thyroid. Okay, then lipoprotein A reduction is done with the treatment of niacin. Okay, then Ackermann's tumor or a varicose carcinoma. It is a type of squamous cell carcinoma. So this tumor is it is found in elderly men with tobacco usage. So mainly it is found in the buccal mucosa, followed by gingiva, then palate, and then floor of the mouth. So this is the Ackermann's tumor. Then oliguria. So what is oliguria? It is defined as a urine output less than 1 ml per kg per hour in infants. In children there is another definition. It is less than 0.5 ml per kg per hour, or in adult it is less than 300 ml per 24 hours in adults. So this is defined as oliguria. Okay. Then hypothyroidism. So the hypothyroidism it is seen in a Hashimoto's thyroiditis, that is a chronic lymphocytic thyroiditis. Okay, next is a growth hormone. So the growth hormone or a somatotropin, it is a peptide hormone, and it is secreted by anterior pituitary. So the growth hormone it will stimulate the insulin like growth factor 1, and it increases the concentration of the glucose and the fatty acids, and this growth hormone it inhibits the lipolysis. So the growth hormone will inhibit the lipolysis. Okay, what is a Meniere's disease? So it is also called endolymphatic hydrops. So the excess fluid builds up in the membranous labyrinth. So it is characterized by vertigo, tinnitus, hearing loss, and ear fullness. Okay. Then ENT question. The true positive fistula test, it is seen in cholesteatoma. False positive fistula test, it is also called Hennebert's sign. It is seen in congenital syphilis and Meniere's disease. Then false negative fistula test, it is seen in dead ear. Okay, next hypoglossal nerve. Hypoglossal nerve is the 12th cranial nerve. It is arises from the hypoglossal nucleus present in the medulla oblongata. So the hypoglossal nerve it supplies all the intrinsic and extrinsic muscles of the tongue, except it supplies palatoglossus. The palatoglossus is supplied by the vagal nerve. Rest all the intrinsic and extrinsic muscles of the tongue is supplied by the hypoglossal nerve. Then sphincter pupilla has a two component. The sphincter pupilla in the eye has two components. One is parasympathetic component and the sympathetic component. Parasympathetic component comes from Edinger-Westphal nucleus, and the sympathetic part arises from the superior cervical ganglion. Okay, the subepithelial humps are seen in the post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis. Okay, next we will see about a triple test. The triple test it is used in second trimester of a pregnancy to detect the chromosomal abnormalities. So what are the parameters we are detecting? Beta HCG we are detecting, it will be low. Then alpha fetoprotein we are detecting, it will be low. Unconjugated estriol, it will be also low. So the above all these three parameters, the low value indicates the Down syndrome. It is a screening test, and the adding inhibin A to all these parameters of the triple test, they constitute a quadruple test. Okay, thank you very much guys. I will finish this video with this. Have a nice day.